Hi everyone, this is Syed. My today's recipe is Methi chicken. I'm gonna show you how you can cook Methi chicken, guys, with the fresh Methi leaves. I got a free request from my followers for the Methi chicken with the fresh Methi leaves. So I got here about 220 gram Methi leaves. I should remove the leaves from the stalks. So I got here 1 kg chicken. I'm actually using today niblets for the Methi chicken, but you can use normal curry cut chicken as well, whole chicken curry cut. So first I'm going to marinate the chicken with the chili powder and turmeric powder and salt. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now I'm going to mix it with the chicken, and I'll marinate it for 30 minutes. Alright guys, I mix it with the chicken with the spices, all the spices. So now I'm going to marinate it for 30 minutes on room temperature. Then I'll start the process for the Methi chicken. Alright guys, now I'm going to fry this Methi leaves into this non-stick pan. I'm going to prepare this Methi leaves before I start process for the chicken Methi leaves curry. So let's start, guys. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Right now I'm going to add 80 ml or 1/3 cup onion. Also, I'm going to add half teaspoon of garlic. Also, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You don't have to wait till the onion gets softened, guys. Just a little bit, 15-20 seconds. Just add the Methi leaves. And look, as I showed you guys, I should remove the leaves like this from the stoves. I'm going to add the Methi leaves, guys, and put the heat on low. Make sure. You don't have to cook for longer. You don't have to cook for long. Once the Methi has wilted, you can remove it from the pan. So I'm going to remove it now, guys. That's it, guys. That's the Methi I'm gonna use on the chicken. Guys, another thing I can tell you, if you wanna add spinach as well with the Methi, you can add spinach as well with the Methi. So here I got the pan ready for the chicken curry, guys. The Methi chicken. I'm going to cook it on this non-stick pan, but you can use aluminium pan as well. If you got aluminium pot, you can cook it on the pot as well. So let's start, guys. Right, guys. Now I'm going to add half cup cooking oil. Bit less than half cup, guys. Right, guys, now I'm going to add some garam masala, whole garam masala. I got here bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cardamom, green cardamom, and black peppercorn. Then I'm going to add onions, chopped onions. And also I'm going to add garlic ginger paste, because I got a video recipe on my channel for the garlic ginger paste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, guys. 2 tablespoons garlic ginger paste. And also I'm going to add salt. Salt, guys, already on my chicken I added 1 teaspoon already. And now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon, guys. But salt, guys, you can adjust it. If you want less salt, you can add less salt as well. Now I'm going to let it cook until my onion has softened. Then I will add the spices, everything. And also, guys, I have to add another spice now. It's called pachparon. 5 whole seeds. I'll show you the packet, guys. What I'm using. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of 5 seeds. Guys, this is called pachparon, whole mixed spice. The spice I just added, and it's cumin seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, and nigella seeds, the kalonji. Guys, I'm not adding water yet because I got enough oil to soften my onion. But if you add less oil, then you have to add water to soften your onion, guys. You have to stir it, guys, otherwise it's gonna burn. So, and also cooking on medium heat, low medium heat, guys, always. Alright, guys, now I'm going to add some water, about half a cup. I'm going to put the heat on high. The water has to be dried out. Then I will add the tomato puree. Alright, guys, my onion has caramelized. Now I'm going to add, and also it's almost softened, guys. Now, guys, I'm going to use tomato puree. Tomato puree I'm going to use about 1 tablespoon. But if you want to use fresh tomato, guys, you can use it. But I'm using the tomato puree because I want to give you the Indian restaurant taste. That's why. I'm adding 1 tablespoon, guys. And the tomato puree I'm using, it's called White Tower. This is the best tomato puree, guys. We always use this White Tower tomato puree in restaurant. This is a really good tomato puree, guys. You can get it from any Asian shop, but not all Asian shops they do this. It's called White Tower. I highly recommend this brand, guys. Alright, guys, after you add the tomato puree, let it cook for about at least for 30 seconds. 30 to 40 seconds, guys. Then you add the spice. I'm going to add my mixed curry powder, special mixed curry powder, guys. I got the video recipe on my channel. You can have a look. Chili powder is up to you guys how much heat you want, and some garam masala as well. So I'm going to add I'm going to add actually 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. I'm using half teaspoon actually here. 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and chili powder I'm going to add, guys, 1 tablespoon. I like spicy, guys, to make Methi chicken. Also, I'm going to add dried methi leaves, guys, as well, about 1 tablespoon. let it fry the spice for a few seconds, about 40 seconds at least, 30 to 40 seconds. Half cup of water. So after I add the water, guys, I'm going to add 1 fresh tomato, guys. Also, if anyone likes naga chili, guys, or naga pickle, this is the time you can add the naga pickle, guys. But I'm not adding in naga pickle. But if you want to add, you can add naga pickle. Right, guys, my spice is already fried, cooked. Now I'm going to add the chicken, the marinated chicken, guys. There's another option, guys, I can give you. If you want to fry the chicken into the deep oil after you marinate it half an hour, then you add it here. You can do that as well. It does taste nice actually. But I'm going to add just marinated chicken, guys, today. I'm going to put the heat on high and mix it well, guys, after you add the chicken. Now let it cook, guys, for about at least for 1 minute. Alright, guys, make sure it doesn't burn. Now I'm going to add some spring onion and some green chilies, fresh green chilies, guys. Alright, guys, now I'm going to add another thing, guys, pure butter ghee. This is totally optional. I like the flavor of the butter, so ghee, that's why I'm adding. But if you don't like it, you can skip it, guys. You don't have to add it. It gives the restaurant flavor, guys. The butter ghee is beautiful. I love it. Now I'm going to add the water, guys. My chicken is already fried. Now look at the chicken, guys. The color, it's beautiful. Now before I add the water, guys, I'm going to add the methi leaves now. After you add the methi leaves, guys, mix it properly. Make sure it doesn't burn. Also put the heat on medium, low medium, then you won't burn. Right, guys, now I'm going to add the water. I got here 1 cup water, guys, warm water. Because when you're gonna cook on high heat, yeah, the sauce will evaporate anyway. It's gonna get thicker. So this is a brilliant thing, guys. I'm gonna put on high heat. It's almost done, guys. Just perfect, beautiful, guys. After you add the water, you have to cook for at least for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to add the coriander. Right, guys, my curry is done. Now I'm going to switch off the heat. But if you cook it, guys, you can check it with one piece chicken and see if it's cooked or not by pressing them. This is okay, guys. Beautiful. See, guys, my methi chicken is done. Family pot curry, guys. Easily you can make it for your family, 4 or 5 people. You can have it, and it's a very nice dish, guys. Trust me, it's beautiful. And if you try it, just let us know the feedback, guys. If you like it, please share with your friends and family as well. And also guys, we have a Facebook page, Facebook group as well, Curry Happen. Please follow us on Facebook group, and also Facebook page as well, British and Food. And also we have Instagram as well guys. All the latest updates about new upcoming recipes, please follow us. And also guys, leave a comment below if you have any question regarding this recipe or any other recipes guys. Alright guys, let's check the curry. Let's check the taste of the curry, the Methi chickens. Chicken is perfect, yes. Let's see. Beautiful guys. The sauce, the gravy is perfect. The heat, the spice is beautiful. Hot enough. Even the sauce itself guys is beautiful. So guys, thank you very much. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment and share. And also if you have any question regarding this recipe or any other recipe, please comment below guys. And also the written recipes guys, if anyone wants written recipes, please leave a comment below. I will inbox you, and also I'll try to put it in the description as well. I'll see you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.